All right, hey, I have here, you can see down here, this is a STHIL FS56C weed eater, and it is running rough, no power. I'm gonna pull back a little bit here, see if I can get this thing started, and show you what I'm talking about. See if we can get it started here. Okay. All right, let's pan out a little bit here. So, I'm not sure where we're at here. Here we go. Alrighty, we are going to take the back apart, take the back off, and right in here, I don't know if you can see if I'm pointing in here anyway, where there's a little screen in here that we're going to take off. I'm just using the tool that came with the weed eater. There's 3 screws in here. Should come off. If you don't have this tool, it's a, was it a T27, I think? Alright, this kind of slides out a little bit. Don't lose the screws. I got still one in there, right there. Alright, I'm just going to go set this aside here. Alright, and then you can see it. There's a little screw right in here somewhere. I'm going to have to stop the camera so I can move this around so I can see it. Oh, I think it's right here actually. I'm sorry. Oops. Right here. There's a little screw right there. Right there. We need to get a screwdriver in. So I'll move some stuff around. We'll come right back here. Alrighty. Let me grab a pair of needle nose pliers. We're going to need that. Alright, so that little screw right here. You don't want to lose this one either. Set that down right there. And then there's a little screen in here. Get some needle nose on. Okay, maybe. Alright, I'm going to need a light. We'll come right back here. Alrighty, that little screen is kind of flat up against her, so I'm just going to grab a pair of pliers or a screwdriver so I can get underneath there and pull that out. And as you can see, this thing is pretty dirty. I even put it through here, and let's just see if we can we even see through there. I'm sorry I'm blinding you, but you can't even see through there. So we're going to come over here, and I'm going to set it up here in the vise, like so here. And we're going to burn it out. So let's grab a little torch here. Let's go ahead and call that good. As you can see, you can definitely see behind that now. Sit right down there where the vise is, but that's fine. I think we'll be okay. I'm going to let that cool for a second. and I'll get a little brush it off a little bit, and we'll come right back. Alrighty, I went ahead off camera and cleaned everything up, and try and get that back in there. Should just slide in. Come on now. Just slide that thing in there. There's a lot of gunk in there. Maybe we can blow that out. I'll come right back here. Alright, it took a little bit of persuasion to get that back in there. So, get the screw in here. Okay, so that's in there. Now we just got to put the cover back on, and just so you know, these are a T27 if you don't have this. Alright, so this was a little tricky getting back in here. It looks like it's right there. You can still see that. Okay, you can bend you back a little bit back there. That one started. This one tight, and that one tight. Okay, I guess moment of truth here. So we can get it started. A little gas in there. Let's see here. Break anything. I'm going to move you around. Hope you can see here. Much better. Okay. Alrighty, so that was it. That saved me a ton of money. I was going to just take this down to the STHIL shop. So thanks for all these people out on YouTube making a video on how to clean this. It was fairly easy. A little bit of rough time getting the screen back in. But other than that, whatever this was, 10-minute fix. So please like and subscribe, and good weed whacking out there. Farm life out.